Too much delay. Everything when you do, delay. You. Too much delay in your life. Visa. See, too much delay. See, everything you do, both in marriage area, both in business, everything when you do, delay is too much.
Yes,
delay. See, oh yeah, Jesus, come on, get out, give me a chance. Oh yeah, get out. It is our time. Raise out for me. Let me release her. This year, this is not last year. This. Oh yeah, get out. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, go. 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 Get out. That's it. Yes. 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 I come against delay. Yes. 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 Delay. Even that sister said the same thing. Delay. On the floor. On the floor. On the floor. Receive your marriage certificate. Your marriage certificate. Take it. Receive your wedding gown.